Hi, my name is Katy Bennett, and I serve on the House Corporation Board for the Delta Beta chapter of Delta Gamma at the University of Kentucky. And our chapter has been fortunate to work with PDR Interiors for several projects and an upcoming renovation of our chapter house at the University of Kentucky. Selecting Liz and Erica and the PDR team to be our partners in the renovation and the redecoration of our chapter house was really an easy decision for our board. First, Liz and Erica and the whole PDR team have a passion for the Greek community that is evident when you meet them. We love how they listen to us and to the women of our chapter and adapted their designs to really meet the needs of what women and men in fraternity and sorority housing need right now. We love that Liz and Erica are great at getting a good bang for your buck. They can work with budgets of any size for any type of project and really make a huge impact out of even a small budget. We have frequently turned to them even kind of in between redecorating years to help with like smaller side projects like picking out new carpeting or updating drapery before we redo a whole room. And they are great to assist us with that and really think through the way that our men and women live in chapter houses and what makes them comfortable and cozy for not only the 50 or 40 women who live in your chapter house, but for the 200 to 300 women that are in the entire chapter, who the house is a place that they visit on a regular basis. We love that they are so innovative and they're so practical with their solutions for the challenges for the way our groups live. There's a lot of things that go into trying to plan a house that works for the 50 people who live there every day and the 300 people that visit several times a week. And Liz and Erica and the PDR team are just really great at being able to make those adjustments and come up with really practical, innovative solutions for that type of living. And finally, the reason to select PDR is really simple. Their work is simply beautiful. I cannot tell you the pride that our chapter women feel in the look of our house. Our house had not been really updated, like aesthetically, in probably 8 years when we first started working with PDR about 7 or 8 years ago. And just those little elements of picking a really beautiful, simple wallpaper or taking furniture that we had existing and recovering it to make it work in a new design has just given our chapter women such a sense of pride in their house. Their spaces are beautiful, they're comfortable, and they're easy for our women to live in. And as we're moving to our next phase of actually renovating our entire house and expanding, we're really excited to continue working with PDR as they help us bring Delta Gamma's house at the University of Kentucky into a new era for the way that modern students live. So if you're thinking about which interior design firm would be great to work with, you really should look no further than PDR.